Wow, it's raining a lot, my friends. Some water is really dropping inside my house, as we can see here through the window. And look, I already got a little lake here inside my house. I have to solve this problem soon. This is me, myself, and I on the mirror here of the bedroom. I'm a little bit fat, but I hope to get fitness soon. I I training hard always as I can. I'm training hard to reach 55 kilos. I believe that is a good weight for me, and I will do it. I hope to get it before the end of the year. I don't know how much my weight is now, but I hope to get 55 before the end of the year. Today is December 10, and I hope to before December 31st I get at least 55 kilos or 60 kilos, something like that. I hope to get to go to the gym soon and have a good evolution. Well, as you know, it's raining now. The water is dropping here. Also, it's a very sad situation because it's always the same thing. It's always the same thing. It doesn't change. But I know that the change depends on me, and I will solve this problem. Here is the rain. Look, there's a lot of water. A lot of water. Believe me, friends. There's a lot of water. This rooftop is from the house of my neighbors. And well, it's a sad situation. That's me again. Uh, there is the first window here of the front of my house. The front window of my house. It's raining a lot. Now I will jump the couch and show you guys. Look, there's already a lot of rain here also. The water is dropping here. It's sad, very sad. Now I'll show you guys my street. This is my street, the houses of my neighbors. This is the flowers that my mom plants here in front of the house. This is the water that is dropping here in front of my house, and that house is from a long distance. Is another neighborhood here of my hometown. I live in a home in a little city, a little town. There is something like 5,000 people here in the hometown, in my city. There is some rural communities that also vote for the same mayor here of my city, so they are included as citizens of my city. Then making the count from the people that live here in the city and the people that live in the rural community is something like 10,000 people. Is the double, Here in the city is 5,000. plus the people of the hero communities. There is a lot of hero communities. It is 10,000, counting everybody, and well, it's raining a lot. As we can see, we cannot see the mountains. There's a huge mountain there. The farm of my family is there on that mountain. And well, it's raining. I love the rain. My region doesn't rain so much, so when rains is good, because there are people here that plant, there are people here that work on the farms. They are farmers, so that depends on the rain to plant their things to sell and live their lives. So I love when it's raining. I hope to rain as more as possible. And the only thing that I do not like on the rain is when the energy goes off, goes away. It's not good to still with the energy on. You always have to turn off the energy inside your house, because if you still with the energy open, with the energy on, you can have some serious problems. Your TV can even explode. That's a serious problem. So I always drop off. I always turn off the energy here in my house. Well, it's raining, as we can see, and as I told you guys before, the rain is good, but the things that I do not like about the rain is when I have to turn off the TV, when I have to turn off the energy, and the rain, the water that drop here inside my house becomes a real lake. And this is very sad, because I have to clean after, and it's bad, because if you live in a bedroom like this one that is dropping water all the time, look at my hand here. You see, the water is dropping on my hand from the rooftop. It's a really bad situation, man. It's a really bad. But God is great. I'm a person. I'm a boy with faith. I'm a boy of faith. I have faith in my God. I have faith in my Jesus that everything will be okay soon. I will solve this problem with my mom and have a much better life quality as possible, and soon here in my house. And well, this is everything for now. Now is 4 hours and 56 minutes p.m. One more rainy evening here in my dear hometown, Francisco Badaró, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Today is December 10, 2020. 2020, a very bad year, the year of coronavirus. Almost 200,000 people died of coronavirus here in Brazil. The second country with most number of people dead. I think that the first one is the USA, the second one is Brazil, the third is India. I don't know if India has already more people dead than Brazil from coronavirus, but India has also a lot of people dead from this very evil virus. And just here in one more evening, watching the rain, I'm also thinking about making a coffee. I want to make a coffee and drink and see the water of the rain dropping. But I don't know if I will do it, because I don't know if it's a good hour to take a coffee. 5 p.m. almost 5 p.m. You take a coffee. I don't know if it's a good idea. Maybe you will have problems to fall in sleep. To fall in sleep. Some people say that it is not good to take coffee after midday, after 12 a.m. You know, after 11 and 59 a.m. is not a good hour to take a coffee. But I don't know. Normally, I do not do it. If today was not raining, if today was with the climate without this rain, I was running now in this moment because I'm running every day to burn calories, to burn kilos, because I want to reach as soon as possible 55 kilos. But it's always God's plan. God's plan. God is working all the time in my favor, and everything will be okay soon. And well, the moment, the only thing I'm doing is watching the rain and seeing the water dropping, and that's all for now. One more time, I'll show you guys the rain on my street. It's dropping. The climate is this one. It also seems that I'm in a place like Russia, like Alaska. That places that really cold places, you know. Siberia. Siberia is a region of Russia, you know. And one day I'll be in these places and I will compare the difference. Of course, that here is not so cold, but the climate is the same. You know, you do not see the sun. It's a little bit even dark. You know, it's a little bit dark now because it's everything with clouds all the time. The rain is becoming stronger one more time. It was becoming weak, now is stronger again. You can you can feel this and see this by the sound. And even the dog is is running from the dog is running from the rain. And that's it. Now is 5 p.m. December 10, 2020. And that's just what I'm doing now. Just watching the rain. The water is dropping. And that's good. And that's all for now. God bless you all. And I will turn off the hat. I have to cut off my hair. Oh my God. And that's all, folks. God bless you all. Stay safe. And that's all for now.